So I think we're going to make this one. That's going to be a good question. So we might have to have a look at it when I've got it on the glass. So I'll just give that a skip for now, and we're just going to, I think that's the right size. Okay. Okay, right, we've got something to put on the glass, but before we do make a copy, we're going to have to enlarge it. So here we are, we got a fridge magnet. Yippee! Fridge magnets, collectible. They're collectible for me. I don't use the businesses. I haven't used any of the businesses on these things, I don't think. So, but I still collect them anyway. Haha. So I've got a gut feeling. Let me just have a quick look. Well, it's smaller than A6, so it could be it might be able to put it up, I don't know, maybe 300 or something. It's hard to tell, these fridge magnets. I never seem to get them right. Hopefully 320 will be a good size. So just going to go there and hit start. Okay, originals left on original glass. Yeah. Ooh, that sounded a bit funny. I heard something funny there. I always notice things that sound of machines being irregular. But anyway, I think this fridgie looks quite good actually. I think we've got the right size for this fridge magnet. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like it. I think we'll call that one quits.